This is going to be a partial review of the Victor Power Kill Rat Trap. Now, I've done some reviews on my channel, if you want to check it out, of mice traps, mouse traps, and out of all those traps, only one of them really worked. One of them caught a majority of the mice that were out around the yard and under the house. And then I found out that we have a raccoon problem, and you really cannot trap raccoons, and you don't want to mess with raccoons. You don't want to touch them. It's against the law, and they could do some serious damage and harm to your body and your life. So that's what's eating up the oranges, eating out the meat. It eats the meat of the orange and just leaves the peel. So I thought originally it was mice. Then somebody said, no, it's rats, and so I bought this rat trap. And then somebody said, no, it's squirrels, and then later on they told me it's raccoons. And when I look at the oranges, the claw marks on the peel, yeah, it's raccoons. The claw marks are huge. So, but there are rats in my mom's neighbor's yard, and so I bought this rat trap. This thing is pretty beefy. I'm assuming it's the same type of setup as a mouse trap. Some instructions over here that I'm going to show you on the video. Now I'm going to take this out of the package and set it up. We'll see what it does. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up. Subscribe. It helps out my channel a lot. If you want to leave a like, that would help me out. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will definitely do a review. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. So let's get this video rolling here. And I'm going to shut this thing off, take it out of the package. You don't need to watch an unboxing. The dog is sitting right next to me, so I got to get her out of the way so I can set this up, and we'll see what it does. I looked at the instructions. Let me take off my watch so it doesn't reflect in the video. I guess you just take this pull bar and pull it back. Unlike the mouse traps, this thing could probably chop your finger off, so I don't really know. Yeah, this has got some serious pull. So I guess it gets stuck underneath here somehow. And whoa, that is a powerful spring. Okay, so that is not going to do anything. So I guess you have to lift this thing up like you do on the other traps to get this thing going. I don't want to put my finger over there. I don't know. You're just supposed to have to lift it back. Yikes. I guess you're supposed to just pull back on here and let it do its thing. Unlike some of the mouse traps where I had to actually lock it in place, this thing just does its own thing. So there it is. This is one heavy duty. Yeah, you do not want to mess with this. Rats are definitely huge. And what am I looking for? The dog is... All right, what I'm looking for is Mr. Froggy. So this is going to be our rat. I'm sure this thing's going to go flying all over the place. The mouse traps flew across the room. So I don't know what this is going to do. It's not held down. I hope it doesn't damage the camera. But this is going to be the rat. And the rat is going to, I'm just lightly going to press this down. Well, this thing's going to go any second. I can see it. I'm sure you saw it move. Here we go. It's going to ruin my dog toy. Whoa! Whoa, holy... Look at that. The frog is gone. Okay, so, yeah, this thing, it didn't take a lot of force on the tray or whatever. I'm sure there's a special name for that. It didn't take a lot of force. So I picked this thing up at the big HD Victor Power Kill. You're supposed to put your peanut butter in there. I was very successful with peanut butter when I used all the other stuff, the nuts and everything that people say to use. It didn't work. The peanut butter definitely worked. The dog was looking around like, what's going on here? What's happened to my frog? Nope, stay away. Don't go near me. Okay, I'm gonna trigger this one more time so you can see it in action. I'm gonna slow it down in slow motion in the video. You saw me trigger it. Stay there. Don't go near me. And I'm just gonna we're gonna test this out with pressure now because we already saw it, and then I'm gonna play this in slow motion on the video so you can see what it would do. I'm lightly going to place this on here just to see how much pressure. I'm just going to gently put it down with my fingers and see how much pressure is needed to, or how much weight is needed to trigger this. So lightly putting the animal on there. Oh, whoa. All right, the dog's over here now. Yeah, she's all interested. She says, what's going on with my frog? Leave my froggy alone. I want Mr. Froggy. Oh, okay. Oh, get away from there, Snail. Okay, so that's going to be my review of the Victor Power Kill. There is no guarantee with these things that you are ever going to catch anything. The problem with most of these is that they don't trigger with a tiny amount of weight. This, if anything comes over here, if a cat or a dog, this is not going to be a pretty sight. You're supposed to put this in a box or some type of cover so that a big animal can't get injured. This will probably do a number on a squirrel, even a raccoon. This is going to cause some serious injury. This has got major, major pressure as it's coming down. And that's going to be my review. Remember again, thumbs up, subscribe, like, leave comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.